A trader sets up their shiny new AI bot. They've watched hours of TikToks promising overnight riches, and now they're convinced this bot is basically Wall Street's cheat code. They click start trading and lean back like they just launched a spaceship. In their head, they're already planning a retirement party on a yacht. But fast forward a week later, their account is bleeding red. The profits? Nowhere to be seen. And that's when the rage sets in. These bots are useless. I knew it was too good to be true. Sound familiar? That's the story of why most traders quit AI bots too early. The reality is this. AI trading bots are not magical money printers. They're tools, just like calculators, airplanes, or even washing machines. And tools only work when you give them time to do their job. Nobody buys a treadmill, runs on it once, and then yells, "Why don't I have abs yet?" But in trading, that's exactly what people do. Here's the twist though. Bots aren't designed to win every trade. In fact, losing is built into the system. Even the best hedge funds on earth lose money in the short term. The difference? They keep going. They understand that success is about probabilities, not perfection. Let's use a real-world analogy. Imagine flipping a coin with a 60% chance of landing on heads. If you flip it 5 times, you might get unlucky and land tails 4 times in a row. But flip it 500 times? That 60% edge will shine through. Trading bots work the same way. They need time and volume to prove themselves. But here's where psychology sabotages traders. Humans hate losing. The moment they see a string of losses, they pull the plug. They don't give the bot enough runway to show its long-term edge. It's like abandoning a marathon at mile 2 because you're not already holding a medal. And it gets worse. Quitting early often happens right before the bot recovers. Many traders stop after a bad week, only to watch the same bot perform brilliantly the next month without them. That's not bad luck, that's impatience. Now, let's talk numbers. Most professional quant funds, the ones running billions of dollars with armies of PhDs, expect annual returns anywhere between 10% to 25%. That's it, not 500% overnight. And these are the pros. So when a random trader installs a free AI bot and expects it to turn $100 into $10,000 in a month, they're setting themselves up for disappointment. The truth is, AI bots are not dream machines. They're consistency machines. They're designed to minimize emotions, follow strict strategies, and slowly grow an account over time. They don't get greedy. They don't panic. They don't revenge trade after a loss. They simply execute. But the human behind the screen? That's another story. Impatience, greed, fear. Those are the real killers of profits. And that's why most traders don't actually lose to the market. They lose to themselves. Think of it like farming. You plant seeds, water the soil, and wait. If you dig up the soil every day to check, you'll never let the plant grow. But if you trust the process, the harvest comes. Bots are the same. They require discipline, patience, and faith in the long game. And yes, let's address the elephant in the room. Some bots are trash. Some are scams, some are poorly coded, and some just don't work in certain markets. But here's the kicker. Even good bots get abandoned too early because traders expect instant fireworks instead of gradual consistency. So, why do most traders quit AI bots too early? Because they mistake short-term noise for long-term failure. They give up before the probabilities balance out. They want jackpots, not strategies. But here's the secret nobody wants to hear. The traders who stick it out, the ones who let their bots run through the ups and downs, who treat it like a marathon instead of sprint. Those are the traders who actually see results. It's not the bot that makes or breaks success. It's the patience of the person using it. So the next time you think about pulling the plug on your AI bot after a bad week, ask yourself, am I quitting because the system doesn't work, or because I don't have the patience to let it work? Because at the end of the day, the markets will always test you. And if you can't outlast your own impatience, no bot in the world can save you. The real lesson? AI bots aren't just about trading. They're about teaching us the one skill most humans never master: patience.